when you pat toner, you can do this way first. Okay, pat your eye dark circles here. Okay, you can do this way. Okay, and your forehead you can do this way. Okay, after that, when you apply jelly, you can massage it this way. Bring all up. Okay, and your eyes, you can do this way and press on your temple, not too hard. Okay, and this way. See, you're all bringing it all up. Okay, and you can pinch it. Okay, even when you pat toner, you can also still pinch it. Okay, so before you do the cold mask again, maybe you can apply another thin layer of jelly and then you can put on your cold mask. That's it. Thank you.